Today, I'm trying out a new hair system from Lordhair called
Zyrosen Neo.
I just picked it up and now I'm heading to my barber to get it cut and styled. Alright, I'm back from the barber and I'm putting it on for the first time. According to Lordhair,
Zyrosen Neo
is treated with advanced antimicrobial technology. It's designed to provide up to 99.9% antibacterial protection, and the treatment is permanent, so it doesn't wash out over time. They also claim it helps reduce odor, itching, and irritation, and that the base is more durable and comfortable for extended wear. From my first impression, I can say it's definitely lightweight, breathable, and easy to wear with a very natural looking hairline. This is my first time using it, but it's already becoming one of my favorite systems from Lordhair. Now that I've worn it for 2 weeks, I can say it really does help reduce itching and odor, especially during long days. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.